Hey, what's up guys, Merv here. So we got another exciting video for you all. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, check this out. I got this done for me for Christmas. One of my boys actually, he got this for me. It's got the SVO, and in the back, if you check here, best way to do it is this way. It's got my, I don't know if you can see that. There. It's got my Instagram and my YouTube links in the back, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so I got that made, and just wanted to show you guys, because I've had this done for a while, so I never got a chance to show you guys. But here's one of the diagram of all the internals of the SVO, and in the back, obviously, it has Sir Merv there, Mervy boy there. Pretty cool. I'm definitely for events and stuff. When I bring the Mustang, when it's gonna be ready, it will be ready. Yeah. Yo, what is this? Yo, so I'm gonna pick up the new Evo. Okay. Evo.
I'm here for the Evo 11.
Subscribe to his channel. Fuck. Just doesn't matter about anything else. Subscribe to his channel. It's hard out here on the YouTube streets, you feel me? It's all your fault, Logan. It's all your fault, man. But
calling him out.
Nah, but that, you know, that just means more hard work, right?
Yeah.
More hard work. So, yo, when you watch this video, don't be a fucking jackass. Alright? Fucking press the like button, subscribe, and comment.
Comment,
right?
subscribe, and don't forget, that's it.
Me too, I fucking sit in the car and press every button.
Check me out. Follow me, I know the way.
Oh no.
Follow me. I took too long in the car.
All we want to do is just sit in the M2.
Wasn't racist, bro. I'm not racist.
No.
Follow me.
This guy's shifting gears. Me too, I'm gonna go somewhere.
No, Matt. Doesn't come with VTEC though.
Yeah, I know. I can feel it.
I can feel it.
I got the magic stick.
So does this feel nice, man? You feel nice?
Yeah, it's alright.
How's the clutch?
It's a little bit springy.
Oh.
I'm talking.
No, I'm looking at cars for purchasing. This guy, dream car?
Just bought it.
He just bought the Type R right now, guys. This exact one.
This guy's fucking up the trans.
I know. Doesn't work. Very nice. This is a potential car I might want, but
For 40 grand?
for 40, yeah, it's a bit
Go
steep.
over there, man. That's 16 grand, $56 a week.
16 grand.
What?
It's not sporty.
And it has a VTEC. This doesn't.
Yeah, it's true. The new SI doesn't have VTEC.
Rip. Matt, do you like it or you like yours better?
Type R. I'd rather my car.
Oh yeah?
But Type R for sure.
You know that doesn't have. You know the SI doesn't have.
Yes, I do.
It's not bad looking, but for the price, probably get something a bit nicer. But shifter feels good. Typical Honda.
You know,
I heard that you
garage.
sold your Infiniti and you're buying an SI now?
here in my garage, you know, to be able to afford a car like this, you need to read a lot of books, and you gotta own an Infiniti at least once. Sell that, and
I'm pretty sure, like,
now we're here.
So, Quinn, this is a really nice Toyota Camry. Finally, justification that it looks mint.
Now you have to go sit in it and.
Yeah.
You know,
I know.
In front of everyone, bro.
Yeah. So you guys know we have to check out Ford booth, obviously. So let's see what they got. I see a Focus RS. Focus
You already know
RS?
we out here. Focus RS. I'm about to cop it right now, cash.
Let's go, let's go.
Yo.
Ooh, looks pretty nice. Check the motor.
Yeah, this adds a weight reduction. This.
We gotta take that off.
Got the nice air box. I like the red too.
I prefer the gray though.
Yeah. Brembos, of course. Oh, look, they kept the shift knob in this one.
Oh, it's automatic.
What are you saying?
Stop recording.
Oh, the shifter feels so good.
It looks small in there though.
Yo, the
Pop
record.
it in drift mode, man. Pop it drift, man. Same guys before, man. Yo, let's go. Are you vlogging this, man?
Yeah,
That's my guy.
yeah. They got the Ford GT. So beautiful. Fiesta ST, very nice. Also another possible candidate. This car, it's probably the most affordable. This one, fully loaded, 30 grand. Not bad. So what do you think about this car? I think it's nice. It's kind of small.
It's nice, small, compact. Seats are nice.
Yeah.
They hug you. But if you're a bit bigger, there's no chance.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the dash.
Yeah, it's a bit
very-
plain, huh?
Yeah, it's simple. But I mean, you are paying 30 grand.
Yeah.
Is it worth the price?
That's the question.
It depends on the driver, right?
Yeah, I guess. I like the color too. Out here is the Focus ST as well. It's not bad. I don't like the color or the wheels, but the car is pretty nice. It's about maybe 6-7 grand more than the Fiesta, but it's more car, more power.
That shift knob feels so good.
Yeah, the shift knob is pretty sick.
It's definitely a car I would buy.
I don't know. You think it's worth the 6-7 grand
7
upgrade? I mean, you get more
It
room.
depends on the drive too, though, right?
Yeah.
I haven't driven them. If I were to go off looks and feel,
Yeah.
Focus ST for sure.
Yeah. See this one. This specific model is 36, so it's
I
6K more.
I really like how everything's set up now.
Yeah. So this is the 2018 Mustang. I think this is the EcoBoost. Really, really like this car. Really, really do. Didn't look that good in pictures, but in person. So this is the EcoBoost Premium, fully spec'd out, 43 grand. That's not what I'm going for. I'll go for a base version.
Sorry for YouTube.
Well, if you really want
it's
the
not.
base version, we have some cubes.
Oh yeah?
Available.
Okay, cool.
Watching, I don't want to.
No.
Where is the?
How does it work? Oh, there we go. Pop in the hood. See how empty this is? The EcoBoost.
Juiced, bro.
It's juiced.
Look at the back. There's more than one exhaust.
Jeez.
Sure, I'll do this because
Yeah, man. Just look. So
fucking hood is like 10,000 pounds, bro.
the new version of my SVO.
It's not full.
Bro. Hellcat, wide body, so down. So down.
What's up, Matt?
Huh?
Where'd it go?
Probably knocked it down.
I have advice for people. I don't really give out advice because
I would people, but I don't give advice.
I'm not really the.
Because I want to take creatine.
Hey, the camera's on me now. It's my time to shine, okay? It'll be on you in like 2 seconds. Give me a sec. Give me a sec, alright? Then you can talk shit up there, alright? Alright, so I'm not the type to give advice, but today I'm gonna make an exception. And this is for all the people out there, you know, when it's really cold outside. I just have one thing to like spread, like, you know, to tell you that I want to convey to you guys, and that is to blow your fucking nose. Alright? Just blow your noses, okay? That's all I have to say. That's all, pretty much. Blow your nose, and yeah, subscribe, like, comment. Sir Merv.
Creatine.